Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Today we'll learn how to recharge your Etisalat prepaid SIM using the Etisalat app online. Support us to grow and bring more useful content by subscribing to Tap and Solve. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Etisalat. You'll see the official Etisalat app in the results. Tap on it and install the app. Once installed, open the app. You'll see three different options to log in. The easiest way is by using your mobile number. Enter your mobile number and the OTP you receive. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. Now tap on Recharge. You can recharge as low as 1 dirham or more. Enter the amount you want to recharge. Then, add your debit or credit card by tapping the payment option. Click on Recharge and Confirm. Enter your card's CVV code and tap Pay. Your SIM will be instantly recharged. To confirm, refresh your Etisalat app dashboard. The Etisalat app also has many other features. If you want a tutorial on any of them, just let me know in the comments. I'll definitely make a video on it. Got any questions? Comment below, I'll reply to every single one. Best of luck.